Hey guys, it's Full Am Couple here. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a $2,000 laptop from Origin PC. First we got a cool Origin poster. As you can see, kind of like a dragon. Pretty cool. Comes with all the manuals and cleaning supplies. Comes with all the specs it has in it. Yep, all the specs and whatnot. The GTX 1070 with 32 gigabytes of RAM and i7 8750H quad core. So you can see the mouse pad, it's pretty thick. Feels nice. And then the laptop carrying bag. It's an Origin t-shirt. It's pretty cool. And not save the best for last, actual laptop. Let's take all this, sorry about that, all this foam off it. Look at that. It's an i7 with 32 gigabytes of RAM and a GTX 1070. It's just a beast. Let's turn it on for you guys. See if they have it. I like those nice keyboard effects. Man, it's just a beautiful laptop. As you can see, it comes with a Viper headset. Has RGB lighting. Okay, now we're gonna get to the specs of the laptop. As you can see, has a GTX 1070. That's pretty cool. And then we'll get to the specs. i7 8750H 2.20 gigahertz, 32 gigabyte RAM. I mean, this thing's just a beast. They have it preloaded with Steam and Battle.net. Yeah, but that's my unboxing for my new gaming rig. And it costs about $2,000, and I'll show you the price on it before I go. $2,100. Well, you guys have a good day.